I'm gonna try to teach this song Space Girl by Francis Forever. It's got some jazz chords, and that's one of the reasons I like it. Don't be afraid of jazz chords, they're not gonna hurt you. Space. That's the main riff at the beginning of the song. What's going on there? Well, we're playing a A chord in the open position, but we're not letting it ring, and we're barring it with just our index finger, because very quickly we need to go to C sharp minor 7. Right, that's a bar chord with a 5th string or A string root, and this note I'm playing is the C sharp note. So we bar across the 4th fret, 1 through 5, and then our second finger, our middle finger, is on the B string at the 5, and then our ring finger is at the D string on the 6th. And then, very conveniently, we slide down to the B minor 7 and back up to the C sharp minor 7. So it's got a good, what we call economy of movement. That's the first part of the song. Now the second part of the song, it sounds kind of complicated, but they're just playing C sharp minor to B. I think they're going 2 measures on the C sharp measure, on the C sharp minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's not the rhythm. The rhythm is just kind of double time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But just very late. Alright, that's the second part of the song. There's only one more part of the song, that's like this end part. Alright, so the last part of the song, at about 2 minutes and 15 or 20 seconds. Space Girl. That's a A7. Bar chord, you can play it open position. Final chord in that little segment is D major 7. Yeah, and you can play D major 7 in the open position just by playing the open D, and then barring strings strings 1, 2, and 3 across the 2nd fret. That's probably the easiest D major 7 shape. That sounds like what they're doing is just kind of like I would probably play it up here. I think it sounds better. It's easier to mute your strings up here. But you could play it in the open position, just play A7, which is just your B string at the 2nd fret and your D string at the 2nd fret. And then you start on the A and E minor 7 is just placing your second or middle finger on the A string at the second fret. And then D major 7 is just barring the first 3 strings. They're just playing arpeggios, which means you're just playing the individual notes out of the chords. Alright, that's it. Those are the 3 parts of the song. If you put them together, you'll have it. Not crazy hard, but definitely will take some practice. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun playing this. Have a great day. Bye.